Up first this evening, a rise in COVID-19 cases at various resorts in St. Anne and St. James as the tourism sector begins to see the effects of the Omicron variant of COVID-19. TVJ News has been informed that at least 3 large hotels in both parishes have detected a high number of cases of coronavirus among their guests. Now, Vashon Brown has the details.
The Omicron variant of COVID-19 is causing worry in the tourism sector. Some experts say pretty soon Omicron could become the dominant strain of COVID. Locally, in St. Anne and St. James, we've been informed that some hotels are already seeing a high number of cases of coronavirus among guests. We spoke with senior strategist in the tourism ministry, Delano Steve Wright, this afternoon.
There has been an uptick in cases of COVID-19. Many of the persons who tested positive because of the need to go back to their respective countries are vaccinated. Many of them are asymptomatic. They have no symptoms at all, but yet they test positive. Many of them feel fine. They feel very well. And there have also been some flight cancellations. Not many, not as much as in the United States, but there have been a few over the last several days. And this is related to the fact that staff members of the airlines have tested positive for COVID and as such are unable to work.
At the same time, he insists that the COVID-19 infection rate along the Resilient Corridor remains low. He could not say how many tourists tested positive in recent weeks.
We continue to tabulate. We have seen some increases at a number of properties, but so far it is not an alarming increase. But we are monitoring the situation and we have very strict protocols in place as it relates to isolation for persons who test positive. The challenge we have is that many of the persons in isolation are very upset because even though they have tested positive, they feel absolutely fine and they want to get on with life. But of course, we have rules and they have to follow the rules.
In the meantime, President of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, Clifton Reeder, also argues that he too has seen signs that the Omicron variant is having some impact on the sector.
We've seen some cancellations, December showing up some cancellations, and we are seeing some of them due to the fact that some of our people coming in are pre-tested and they would have tested positive, so naturally they can't make it to Jamaica. I wouldn't say significant because December is still trending at 70% occupancy. We did a survey last week. In fact, we just closed the survey this morning and it's showing that December is trending about 70%, January about 60%, and January 67%, and February trending at 60%.
As for the traditionally busy New Year's period at hotels, Mr. Reeder insists that hotels will operate responsibly.
Just like last year, everything is toned down. We don't have as many activities as we used to, like in 2019 when most of us were doing extremely large shows and stuff like that. This year is toned down and we basically just have a upscale version of our normal entertainment.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.